But it's important that we have this discussion with customers. Many of them may not even be aware that they have the ability to change their tolerances by using limited calibrations or change the functions that we actually check to ones that they actually use. The 17025 is pretty clear in the requirement that Cal Labs are supposed to have discussions around decision risk, but that sometimes doesn't equate to, are there any special requirements on any of the devices that you're planning on handing us? Sometimes the customers may not even be aware that they can communicate those specific changes to us. The ISO 17025 is very clear that the calibration lab should not make recommendations. However, this doesn't prevent the calibration lab from proactively asking the customer for their input. Oftentimes we may shy away from asking for special limits of calibrations because we don't want to be seen as making recommendations. So if we don't have these discussions with the customer and the customer doesn't come to us and proactively let us know, what we can wind up with is a situation where we have what the customer may consider to be frivolous, out of tolerance notifications. We can have reductions in calibration intervals. We have increased calibration cost and lost time due to numerous calibrations throughout the year that was only happening once. Calibration labs should be proactive. As well as the customer should be proactive as well and be prepared to have a discussion at the front end of negotiations to determine, are there any items that require any special limitations due to tolerances, due to ranges used, due to directional, like the torque wrench discussion. And additionally, if the customer is aware that they're under regulations that require the full testing or specific tolerances, those kind of things need to be brought out as well.